Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a scalp treatment, and today's video is also going to be all about hair growth, scalp treatments, spa day, whatever you want to call it. That's what this video is going to be about. So if you're interested in these tips and stuff, let's get right into it. So my hair is dry. My hair is super dry. It's old. My ends are starting to honestly, I think I need a trim, and we will do that in another video. However, today I wanted to do a hot oil treatment and then kind of go into, what I'm gonna be doing. We are gonna be going on a natural hair growth challenge. I've never done one of these, y'all, because I always feel like every time I wanted to start a growth challenge, y'all was gonna be like, girl, why you always doing growth challenge? Like, why you doing that? Your hair already growing, you don't need no more growth, However, I want to experiment, I want to see how long my hair can get. And so I'm trying not to trim it as much, and I want to focus more on my scalp. So I'm just gonna let y'all know what I'm gonna be doing. And this video is sponsored by Curlsmith, so shout out to Curlsmith for the products and all this stuff, because they have a ton of growth items, and I'm gonna get right into it right now. So first, we're gonna be starting off with a hot oil treatment. And y'all may be like, Curlsmith doesn't have an oil, Kim. Yes, they do. They actually have this intense treatment serum, and you can turn this into a hot oil treatment. I actually have. All I did was put some hot water in a bowl, and then I put a little bit of the paste into this little bad boy, and now it's a liquidy oil substance. So we have a nice hot oil treatment right up in this bad boy. It's gonna be enough. We don't need much because we are gonna be doing, step by step. Gonna be using this. Now it comes in a solid rock form, so you can just put it into the palm of your hand, get it all nice and warm, and then go to the scalp, but I wanted to heat it up. So yeah, let's get into it, y'all, because my hair is so dry, I don't even think I can continue to talk on camera like this, because this is kind of embarrassing. All right, y'all, so I have a dropper for my oil. Honestly, I just used a dropper that I already had, and I just wanted to use a dropper just because I know where this oil is going, and I want to get it directly onto the scalp. So I'm just gonna really just, get it in there. Yeah, get in there. Hey, big girl, want you back in. And as I'm getting that oil in, y'all, I'm just taking the fingertips, not my nails, but my fingertips, and I'm just going into the scalp. One thing I really hate when people say is like, trim your hair and then your hair is gonna grow. And I'm like, yeah, no, it's gonna retain length. However, it's not gonna cause your hair to actually grow. Your hair grows from the scalp. So if you are not taking care of your scalp, that's the problem, baby. That's why your hair is probably not growing, because you gotta take care of that stuff. And you also need to take care of, your body, how much water you drinking. Cause your girl got a cup right here, sis. Fun fact, all I drink is water. Like, I really don't drink much, like juices and stuff. If I do, it's probably like an apple juice, pineapple juice, cranberry juice. I try to stay away from like the real sweet stuff, like or sodas or anything. So if you were wondering, no, your girl don't be partaking in all of that jazz. I mean, unless I'm having a beverage, a little Henny and Coke ain't never hurt nobody. All right, y'all, so I've applied all of the products to my scalp. It feels so good. And I bet y'all like, well, I thought you didn't use oils. Girl, I thought you didn't use them. Chill out. I said we don't apply the oils directly to the hair. Yes, you can 100% use it on your scalp. That's where oils are supposed to be used. That's where you get all the growth and all that good stuff. But we are not using it on our hair because our products have enough moisture in them. And we always want to keep a good moisture protein balance. So I do like to oil my scalp, and I feel like y'all ain't never seen me do a hot oil treatment, but here we go. So I've used half of the oil on my scalp, and I'm gonna use the rest on the length of my hair, and we're just gonna really get this treatment into the scalp. And while we're doing that, I also am going to incorporate some H2O. So I'm gonna wet my hair so it'll be a little bit more manageable. And I'm also gonna be steaming my hair with the Q-Redo. This is going to be perfect for really getting into that scalp. This is the spa session of this video, and this is just gonna be so nice. Just making sure that you steam the product into your scalp and really get a deep penetration. So I am going to go ahead and section off my hair and get ready, and then we're gonna start with the steaming. All right, y'all. So I also put the oil on the length of my hair. We are rinsing this out, okay? So it's not gonna stay on the hair. This is perfectly fine. This is gonna give me that deep penetration and intensive treatment. So gonna go in with the steamer. Actually, Jalen, Natural Rain here on YouTube, gave me this as a Christmas gift. So thank you, girl. All you have to do is press the button. I'm just gonna press the button and concentrate the steam at my scalp. All right, so I got one section down, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and twist this up and clip it out of my way. It feels nice and warm, which is what I wanted. I have all the oil applied to the scalp, and I'm just gonna let that sit for a little minute and let it just, you know, marinate, get a good little going. And I wanted to also talk to y'all about what I am going to be doing for the next 3 months. I wanted to do a hair growth challenge, so I think I might as well do the Curlsmith one because I love their product so much. So they have a booster and an elixir, and basically the booster is what you put on your scalp in the morning and the elixir is what you apply to your scalp at night. And I love that concept because you know what to apply, you know just to apply it to your scalp. Go ahead and massage it in and you good. Like, you don't have to manipulate your hair to do it. So I kind of like it. This is the booster, y'all, and it is a scalp stimulating booster. So it has a little nozzle on it, which is very convenient. You just go ahead and twist that off like that, and you will just go ahead and apply it to your scalp. I'm not gonna apply it to my hair today just because I'm doing my hair, and these are products that you want to leave in. So after you have styled your hair, you would want to go in with these, like honestly when your hair is already dry. And like I said, this one, the booster, is going to be something for the morning. You can remember that because it's going to give you a boost for your day. First, you'll go in with this one in the morning, and then before you go to bed, they have an elixir, and this has a nice dropper on it, which is nice and convenient because like I said, you can get it directly on the scalp. Just squirt, 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 and then, you know, work that bad boy in. So I am going to be using these. They say if you use it one time, it ain't gonna work, okay? You have to use it consistently, as we all should know. Now, they recommend using it for 30 days for hair growth. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Well, you know, 90 days for the best results, which are gonna be 3 months. So I probably am gonna use it for a good 3 months. And in conjunction with these bad boys, they also have supplements, and these are their 30-day therapy supplements. These are not vegan. However, there are 60 capsules in here, and I am kind of excited. I really want to get into something, and I love that they have basically a trio system. I mean, morning, noon, and night. Come on, morning, noon, and night. I think that'll be a good routine. Start off with the booster in the morning, and then after you eat, probably around lunchtime, I would go ahead and take these bad boys. I don't know if they recommend a certain time, but they do say to take 2 capsules a day. So like I said, I would probably take it at lunch, around lunch and dinner after I eat. This is what they look like. Just, you know, normal capsules. So in case you're wondering, this is what I'm going to be doing. Now, I am going to trim my hair, like I said, in the next video. We're about to get this hair growth challenge popping. I am going to show y'all at the end of this video a length check so that you guys can just kind of get a glimpse of where my hair is right now so that we can come back to this later and see if it actually works. However, let's get back to the hair. I'm going to go ahead and continue to let this sit a little bit longer, and then I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to get into the cleansing portion. If you are new to my channel, I am big on cleansing. That is how we stimulate hair growth. Like I said, everything is about the scalp. So now we have moisturized, we have deeply penetrated the scalp, and the next portion of this is going to be cleansing. And we really want to clean the scalp just to make sure there's no debris, no nothing, because we did do this on dirty hair, okay? Let's just not forget that. Our hair is not completely clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit, and then we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna start cleansing. All right, you guys, I'm back. I let that sit with a plastic cap on. And I did go sit under the dryer for about 20 minutes, not too long. And now we are ready for the cleansing process. So now I'm gonna go in with the Curlsmith Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. This is gonna be nice because it actually protects your scalp while you are clarifying your hair. As you know, we did all of that work to our scalp, so we don't want that to go to waste, okay? So I'm just gonna add this, and while I'm adding this, y'all, we're gonna be doing a nice massage to the scalp because that is going to help with hair growth as well. You just wanna make sure you really massage this in. This is gonna help with some slip because there are still tangles in my hair as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this and get some massage going and also some finger detangling. Oh, it feels so good on that scalp, y'all. Like, you can feel this product just kind of loosening things up so you don't just go straight in with that shampoo. This is random, but y'all like my little spa set up by the bathtub. I wanted to give y'all, like, you know, spa-like. Ooh. So now I'm just finger detangling, y'all. Y'all know the drill. All right, y'all, so the primer is all applied to my hair and my hair is detangled. So we are good on that. And now we're gonna go in with the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. Y'all know I love this stuff. I'm actually almost out of this one. So you do not want to rinse out this primer, you guys. You wanna go straight in with the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic, which is what I'm gonna do. I haven't rinsed it out. I'm gonna go ahead and just take the first section I did down again. And I'm just gonna go in with the shampoo. My hair done dried out just a little bit, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. Normally I'll be doing this in the shower, but for the sake of this video, here we go. A little bit of cleanser. We wanna really clean, y'all. You wanna clean the scalp, okay? Clean the scalp. That is the only way you're gonna have real healthy hair growth, is to have a nice, clean, detoxed scalp. But you also want to go in with your oil treatments just to make sure you're getting that moisture penetrated into that scalp. My scalp done got the business today. Throughout every step, y'all saw that I massaged it, or, you know, I rubbed it in. I really penetrated the scalp. So just make sure you are really rubbing that scalp with your fingertips. But also, this is cleansing, so we want to do this all throughout the whole entire head. And after I apply all of this shampoo, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower, and then I'm gonna go in with my conditioner. And I'm gonna be using the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner. This is just gonna help with rebalancing the pH back into your hair, because of course, we wanna make sure that the pH is balanced in your hair as well, which is why I just love Curlsmith, because they think of all of it. The pH balance, the protein moisture balance, the scalp, everything that they stand for is just good, healthy hair growth. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this all over with the shampoo, rinse it out, and then go in with the conditioner, and then I'll be right back. I have the conditioner applied. I've already rinsed out the shampoo, and this is what my hair is looking like. It's all nice and clean. My scalp feels amazing, and this conditioner is so minty, so I'm like, whew, such a relaxing day, y'all. So I did go ahead and put on a t-shirt. This is actually my twerk contest t-shirt, and I'm going to be doing a length check, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mark it with Sharpie so that I can put the same shirt on in a couple of months, and we can see how much the hair has grown. And I definitely highly recommend you guys start this hair growth journey with me. Like I said earlier, I am going to be putting the booster on in the morning, and I'm gonna go in with the serum at night. So I'm gonna do this every day and night. I'm gonna try, you know, I'm gonna try. And I'm also going to be taking the supplement. So if you want to join me on this journey, highly recommend. I will have all the links in the description bar, but let's just get into the length check. Now, I am gonna possibly cut my bangs, I don't know, but we can measure those too. First, I wanna start off in the back. And honestly, y'all, I don't even think that was a straight line, but like, you get the point, okay? I may need to, let me see my line. Oh, it's okay, it's like a little dot. All right, so we have a dot to show us where it is over there. I think I'm gonna do like 2 pieces from the side area. We're gonna go with that. Okay. It's a little longer than that spot, but I am going to be trimming my ends a little bit, so it'll even itself out. Listen, we just want a rough draft, sis. And then I'm going to do this side. So this is going to be my length check shirt, just to kind of get a gauge of how much the hair has grown. We're going to do this daily, but like I said, I am going to do a little bit of a trim. Just a little bit, just like the ends only. Okay, y'all, so that pretty much concludes this video. I just wanted to focus on the scalp today. Nothing else, no styling, no nothing. I am about to go ahead and style my hair. I have no idea what I'm going to do to my hair yet, so still in limbo with that. But the next step would be to rinse this out and go in with a deep conditioner and then move forward with their styling products. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.